Welcome to our ROI calculation tutorial. Today, we'll explore an example of how a business can calculate the return on investment when investing in a robot acquired from ROBOSERV. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand what ROI is. Return on investment, or ROI, is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment. It's calculated by taking the net profit from the investment and dividing it by the cost of the investment. In our case, the cost of the investment is the cost of the robot, which is $6,000. The net profit from the investment is the money saved by using the robot instead of human labor. Let's say the robot is replacing a worker who was paid $29,000 per year. If the robot can do the same job, the business is saving $29,000 per year. Over 3 years, that's a saving of $87,000. Now, we can calculate the ROI. We take the net profit, $87,000, and divide it by the cost of the investment, $6,000. This gives us an ROI of 14.5. So, by investing $6,000 in a robot, the business can achieve an ROI of 1,450% over 3 years. Upgrade to a robot, save $174,000 in 3 years. Boost your restaurant's image, enjoy 24/7 service with no extra management. Invest in a robot, save significantly, enhance your restaurant's image, and enjoy 24/7 service. The future is here, contact us now.